Alright, y'all, good morning. DIY Raymond here. This morning, I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the tiny house, an update on it. I know I haven't done a lot of videos on what I've been doing in here, but it was a 16 by 40 shed. It had a double barn doors here, but as you can see, I put a storm door in right here. Thanks to the help of my brother-in-law, Kobe. Come on in here. Still got a lot more work to do, but we're a lot further than what we have been. I'll come in here. See, this is the kitchen. Right here where the window is gonna be her sink, and been doing all the work. Not so much as just myself only, but a little bit of help from, well, a lot of help from my family, a few friends, stuff like that helped out. But Father-in-law helped me put this window in. I got one more window I added in her bathroom. I already got her sink. I cut it out. Right here's gonna be her microwave. Right there's gonna be her stove cooktop. This right here is her living room area. Her TV's gonna go up on the wall over here. Then I used drywall for the ceiling, and then for the rest of the walls, I used 3/8 MDF on board. Walk on here to the bathroom. Got a little more work to do in here. I'll show y'all the shower I'm putting in. It's gonna go right here. Her sink's gonna go right there, about where that plug outlet is. I gotta finish cutting the hole out for her light. It's already up there. Got a hole cut out right there for her exhaust fan plus light. That's the other window my father helped me put up. This is where her toilet's gonna go. This right here is gonna be her hot water heater. It's gonna be tankless. Run all her pipes to the underneath. Come on up there. As you can see. And also one of the things I did, since it's only gonna be a mini split air conditioning unit, heating and air, the wall, just walk up so I can see. But I did partial wall on both sides of the house for her bathroom and for her bedroom. That way air can circulate around. And then this pipe and that pipe has her wires in there. As you can see, the wire for her water heaters right there. And then the wires for her light fixture and all that stuff is running through there. I did that to where you don't just see wires coming down. Over here, I'm gonna do a small little closet for her, whatever. Her mini split's gonna go right up here. But like I said, this is a 12 by 40. So I have a refrigerator there. Got a few more cabinets we're gonna put up. I think it's gonna be about 2 more cabinets, one more right there and one more right here. Come on here to her bedroom. That's her shower with a seat combination. Oh, that's her sink. That's our generator, not hers. Oh, that's some of her pipes for her draining water. That's her mini split, her sink, her toilet, her bedroom door, bathroom door. That was supposed to be her countertops, but that didn't work out, so we're gonna use probably one of them for a small island. This her closet up here. Her bedroom gonna go right, or her bed's gonna be right in here. That's her baseboards and crown molding. Okay, so that's about it. That's her panel box. Yeah, that's the tiny house. It's been a work in progress. Everything, but I'm very, very proud of myself and the others that have helped me out along the way. This has been a big journey. Excuse me. The only thing I gotta do for the ceiling is I do gotta add one more. I gotta put the insulation up there on that side and a little bit on that side, and then put the panels up, which I got the panels right here, and then that would be her whole ceiling completed. All right, that's gonna be her ceiling fan, recessed lights for the kitchen. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Be blessed. Be safe. Like, share, and subscribe. And you get notified when I upload some more great content. Appreciate all the help and support for the channel. Y'all have a good one.